Court calls the case Peninsula Place versus Tanya Jimerson.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Rebecca.
Your name?
Tanya Jimerson.
Okay. And we're here. Is this your motion to set aside? All right. What happened?
So me being behind my bills right now, it's me not be able to go to work because I've been getting harassed at work. And the fact that I'm not about to be working there no more, I had a job interview this morning at St. Joe's. I'm just going to switch hospitals. I work at the U. But it's management. And the fact that I rely on my job for my bills, it's very bad right now. And it's the first time I've been behind on bills for the first time. So I'm actually kind of struggling. But I know back in March I had help with Max, but that's only once a year. I can only get help with them. But I never
I
never.
Hold on. You're saying a lie.
I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. Okay. It just tells me you're really nervous about what's happened here because you don't know what your next steps are, right? Fair enough. Have you talked to the landlord at all about trying to get this paid?
No, I just last time I talked to her is when I told her about my court date because they wanted to have that money paid by the 27th. And the fact that I had missed court the last time and the reason why you granted this motion for me.
Hold on. Listen to what I'm saying, right? After this judgment was entered, did you go in and talk with anybody at Peninsula Place?
Oh no.
Why not?
Just waiting for my court date. That's what I'm thinking. No, I'm supposed to be doing, waiting for my court date. So that's all I was.
Okay. Did you try to? What do you have as your current balance?
The same amount of the judgment, Your Honor, the $1,035.42, which includes the court costs. To her motion, she had attached a receipt for $500. I do show that credit, and then she says she owes $960.42. The only difference is the $75 statutory attorney fee. So I think the judgment amount is right, and she really just owes May rent. And I'm happy to work with her, but she didn't show up the last.
Well, that's what I'm trying to figure out. All right, let me ask you this, okay? How are you got this back balance, you're behind in bills, get it. Do you know how you're going to try to get June rent paid?
So I just got a car and I downloaded DoorDash, so I got extra money. Instacart, Uber, I got all the
okay.
So yeah.
Slow down.
Okay.
You're trying to figure out a way that you're going to make it from this point to the next point, aren't you? All right. Do me a favor. Take a deep breath. Okay. Because what you're worried about right now is I'm going to tell you that you got to be out. I'm not telling you that today.
Okay.
Okay. Here's what I want you to do. I have a lot of different landlords that come before me. I'm just going to tell you right now, the people down at Peninsula Place, in my opinion, they're just fantastic in terms of working with the folks there. That's why the first question I had for you is, had you gone out and talked to them? So if you listen to what happened, counsel indicated they're willing to work with you because you just owe May. Okay. But you got to go down and talk to them. You may not have a full plan, but you'll work with it. A whole lot of people see, and you're lucky because the first time they showed up, a whole lot of people, Holly did not leave for like 5 days or something because there were a whole lot of people down there that were just down there talking to them. And most of them got worked out in some way. Okay. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to adjourn this out to June 12th, which is my next day, June 12th, 2026 at 1 p.m. I want you to go down to the office and talk to Holly. Okay? See if you can work this through. You're only behind 1 month. The world's not gonna collapse, it's not gonna end, okay? And what I want you to do is I don't want you worrying about it until I tell you to worry about it, because nothing's gonna happen to you until I say it is. Fair enough?
Appreciate that.
All right. You go down there, talk to Holly, and then you have a great weekend, okay? Relax, because you seem really stressed.
Yes, I am. And I'm like midnight.
Stressing me out, and you stress Alan out, and Alan gets stressed, bad things happen. It's just, you don't want it to. All right?
But thank you.
You take care. And Peninsula Place versus Gamboya, that matter's dismissed. As well as Peninsula Place versus Henderson is dismissed. Is that it for you guys?
That's it, Your Honor. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you. Holly, you take care. Always a pleasure.
Wow, have a wonderful weekend.
Have a great weekend, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am. Lori Anderson versus our